Good morning, everybody. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. It is Friday, January 18th, 2008, and I wanted to just talk this morning a little bit about what happened yesterday and see what's happening this morning before the trading day gets rolling here. So just want to show you again the picture of the S&P 500. Great little learning piece here as well. Lower lows and lower highs yesterday. Really good size sell-off, and I wanted to show you what the VIX looked like, the volatility index. Again, how do you measure fear through the eyes of the options traders? So there is VIX right there. That's a pretty significant spike in the VIX. And the last few days of the sell-off, the VIX hadn't been going anywhere. It was just sort of trickling south, and the market had VIX kind of ran up just a little bit, but wasn't corroborating the story. It wasn't a lot of fear in the sell-off until yesterday. Usually when I see a spike like this, that's a lot of fear, and very rarely will a stock broad market hold up that kind of fear. It could head lower today as well, but very often we'll get a bounce out of that, and it may not again be playable. Again, that'd be like catching a falling knife out of here, especially the way the broad market looks. But you can go back. There's a spiders again, pretty good size sell-off, massive volume. So then it sort of makes me want to look at the TRIN, the traders index. So you'd have to go intraday to do that. So it'd take about 5 days. Doesn't matter what we're looking at, 5 days, 15-minute data, that'd be great. Same with this guy. When he spikes up dramatically, very often it can't sustain that kind of market weakness. All right, a lot of volume flowing into declining issues here, but on the 15th, if you look at the S&P 500, it really didn't fall out of bed. So here will be the S&P 500 in just 1 second. It's being pokey. There it is. So nice little gap down, unfilled, but didn't fall out of bed. The next couple of days, especially yesterday, that's what this is right here, markets took a really nice nosedive. And so when I go back to the TRIN and look at yesterday, it was actually rising slightly. Alright, so again, that's bearish, but it's just barely above 1. So the stock market had fallen down dramatically, but the TRIN, the volume that's flowing into declining issues, actually only went up to about 1.5 times more than the volume flowing into increasing stocks. And that's an interesting little story. Again, that probably doesn't help build to yesterday's down bar on a rock. It's more built on sand. So we'll see what kind of bounce we get this morning. The S&P futures, as of just a little bit ago, we're up 20.5 points. NASDAQ futures were up 25.5 as well. IBM and GE are looking great this morning so far, and we'll see what happens. But just be very, very careful on the long side here. Make sure you're getting into nice, fundamentally strong stocks and technically strong stocks, things that are holding up beautifully in the market now. And if you're going to go short, or if you're already short the market, just make sure that you're in very weak quality and in great technical weak setups. So very good. Just wanted to point that out and see some divergences there between the VIX, the broad market, and the TRIN. And I hope you have a great trading day and a great weekend.